Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the electric power steering fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, it's two of them and one of them is extremely hidden. We'll explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find, okay, the fuse for the power steering. Two fuses will need to be checked. We'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion here. First you need to open the hood. Once you guys open the hood, here on the driver's side you see that box that looks like a T, that cover, remove it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. For the electric power steering, guys, okay, we need to check one fuse here and then we need to go find the main big fuse. It's a different location, but here you need to check fuse number 19, the 10 fuse right here. Next you need to, guys, open the hood, and where that box is, that fuse box is, if you remove the fuse box on the bottom side of it, guys, okay, on the bottom side you're going to have a high current fuse box that consists of up to 8 fuses. That could be that's an empty one here, but the numbers, guys, okay, go like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe, and then you're going to switch on the other side under the cover, guys, okay. We're going to have this is known as fuse number 6 here, and then 7 and 8. So if you look at fuse 8 under that cover right here, that's a power steering fuse, and that fuse 8, guys, is usually 70 amp fuse right there. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.